Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you've ever dreamt of creating stunning custom apparel, launching your own print-on-demand business, or just taking your DIY projects to the next level, then you know the struggle. Finding a printer that delivers professional results without the headaches. Well, get ready, because the Rainbowdgt Peacock A3 DTF printer A3 XP600 is here to change the game. This isn't just another printer. It's a complete production powerhouse, and I've been incredibly impressed with what it brings to the table. Let's talk about the absolute heart of any printing operation, the quality. The Peacock A3 boasts a 2025 upgraded DTF printer system, featuring a robust XP600 printhead with a CMYK plus WW6 color configuration. What does that mean for you? It means unbelievably vibrant colors, razor-sharp details, and richer finishes that truly pop off the fabric. At an ultra-high resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi, this machine delivers 100% true-to-life image reproduction. Think about it. Every intricate design, every subtle gradient, perfectly translated onto your garments. This isn't just good enough quality. This is professional grade, ensuring your customers, or even just your personal projects, look absolutely spectacular. But what truly sets it apart and addresses one of the biggest pain points in DTF printing is its revolutionary clog-free printhead system. If you've ever dealt with white ink settling or printhead clogs, you know the frustration, the wasted ink, and the lost time. The Peacock A3 solves this with an integrated white ink circulation and mixing system. This keeps your white ink perfectly agitated and flowing consistently, preventing those dreaded clogs. Add to that a 2-in-1 auto-cleaning and waste ink collection unit, and you've got a system designed for maximum uptime and minimal fuss. This means consistent, vibrant color output every single time you print, allowing you to focus on your creativity, not maintenance. No more babysitting your printer, just reliable, beautiful prints. Now, if you're thinking this sounds complicated, especially if you're new to DTF, then prepare to be amazed. The Rainbowdgt Peacock A3 comes with a laptop included, perfect for beginners. Yes, you heard that right. It includes a Windows laptop pre-installed with the printer driver. This completely eliminates the often frustrating setup process that can deter so many aspiring entrepreneurs. You literally just import your design, hit print, and you're good to go. This isn't just a convenience. It's an empowerment tool, making it incredibly easy to enjoy smooth data transfer and non-stop, high-efficiency printing right out of the box. Imagine launching your very own DIY t-shirt business with virtually zero tech hurdles. It's a game changer for accessibility and ease of use. And let's not forget the sheer versatility and speed. This printer is 200% faster printing than older models like the L1800, R1390, or L805, supporting both A3/A4 sheets and roll paper. With a max print width of 13 inches, it easily handles large-scale projects with precision, and it works on various fabrics: cotton, polyester, leather, denim, sports mesh, you name it. T-shirts, hats, bags, pillows, shoes, hoodies. The possibilities are truly endless. So, if you're looking to elevate your printing game, eliminate common DTF frustrations, and truly unleash your creative potential with professional-grade results, the Rainbowdgt Peacock A3 DTF printer is an investment that pays dividends. It's fast, reliable, incredibly user-friendly, and delivers stunning quality every time. Don't just dream about creating amazing custom apparel, make it a reality. Find the link to the Rainbowdgt Peacock A3 and all the details you need in the description below. Go out there and create something extraordinary.